one day when the father couldn't find parking and the father was losing his temper, so Tarshan was there advising his father to, first he said, Papa, you have to take a deep breath. And then he introduced his father to dragon breathing. Okay, so now you have to let out all the anger and then calm yourself before we find parking. Brainbow also takes into account the parent journey, and they have the workshops that have really helped me.